India's win in the ODI World Cup last night also kind of teaches us a valuable life lesson. Look at Shefali Verma. Now, this is a lady who was dropped from both the T20 and ODI squad. She goes back to domestic cricket, she works hard, she breaks into the T20 squad, but ODI squad में उनकी जगह नहीं बनती. Her exclusion from the ODI squad when it was announced for the World Cup led to a lot of people talking about the fact that Shefali Verma could have been our X factor. उनके जैसा player Indian team में नहीं है. So should she have been there? She was not there. And till quarterfinals, India going into the last four, she was still not part of the squad. Pratika Rawal, her replacement, was going great guns. Shefali Verma is disappointed. वो अपने डैड से कहती है इसके बारे में और उनके डैड उनको बोलते हैं कि no problem, your time will come. The only thing that you have to do is be prepared. जब वर्ल्ड कप स्क्वाड अनाउंस हुआ, उसके आसपास Shefali Verma goes back and plays domestic cricket. She bowls a lot of overs in domestic cricket जो उनको international matches में करने का मौका नहीं देता. And that bowling and that domestic cricket batting practice comes in handy on the biggest stage for women's cricket in India. Take the example of Jemimah Rodriguez. World Cup शुरू करती है, she is suffering from anxiety, she talks about it and after first 3 matches she doesn't score that many runs. England के खिलाफ बहुत ही important match में उनको drop किया जाता है. Jemimah Rodriguez said that's like a wake up call for her. वो अपने कोच से फोन पे बात करती है, उनके कोच उनको कहते हैं कि be prepared, आपका मौका फिर से आ सकता है. That opportunity comes for Jemimah Rodriguez in the match against New Zealand and 56 balls, I think she scored about 72 runs and then of course that innings of a lifetime against Australia at the semi-final stage. India, for that matter, we lost 3 consecutive matches, close matches, something that has been the bugbear in our past, right? And from there qualifying to semi-finals, defeating the favourites of the tournament and then going on to beat South Africa, जिन्होंने हमें tournament में already एक बार पहले हराया है. India was probably not supposed to win this tournament, but the lesson from all these 3 instances and stories here is to just hang in there. When things seem too tough in life, as Jemimah Rodriguez says, all you have to do is just hang in there and your turn will come. Indian women's cricket team showed us once again that the sum of the parts was greater than whole. We hung in there, we achieved history last evening as a country. The women's ODI cricket team winning the women's ODI World Cup. Amol Mojumdar, by the way, what a story for him as well. Winning the World Cup trophy as a coach, he could never get his hands on the India cap. And that teaches us in life, we just have to hang in there and our time will come.
Fever FM, happening here.